Hello, and welcome to a tour of Notion Agency OS, the ultimate solution for managing your entire business in one place. From client projects to customer management and finances, everything you need is here. Let's begin with the dashboard. Here, you'll find an overview of your active projects and tasks, which can be sorted by team members and projects. You'll also see upcoming meetings and overviews for OKRs and KPIs. Moving on to the Client Projects page, you have a clean, organized view of your projects sorted by status, timeline, calendar, and list views. Next, the Tasks page provides a detailed view of active tasks for each project, along with useful properties to help you complete them. You can sort tasks by status, team member, priority, and view them in a calendar format. For meetings, there's a straightforward view of upcoming meetings, allowing you to easily track both internal and external appointments within Notion. In the OKRs overview, you can monitor your business objectives and key results, setting completion dates for each objective to stay on track. The KPIs overview lets you keep a close eye on your business performance metrics. The Documents page enables you to store and access project-related documents directly in Notion. Our Knowledge Base section helps your team quickly access important resources and the Assets library. The Processes section allows you to document your business operations, making it easier for new hires to understand and follow established procedures. In the SOPs section, you can detail the procedures for each process, ensuring your team knows exactly how to get things done. Now, let's explore the Sales Team section. At the top, you'll find a sales pipeline with different statuses, a leads tracker, and a proposals tracker. Easily create new lead projects, add the necessary information, and drag and drop them through the pipeline. Manage proposals effortlessly with the pre-made template. Once a proposal is marked as won, the project automatically moves to the Client Projects page for your team to start working on. On the CRM page, you can view active proposals, leads, contacts, and associated companies. For the marketing team, we have marketing KPIs, a leads tracker, active campaigns, and an intuitive content planning tool where you can drag and drop content to schedule it. In the Content Manager page, track your content ideas and their progress from draft to published. The Content Calendar offers an easy overview of all your planned content. The Finances dashboard offers quick capture and easy navigation for detailed insights. It provides an automated overview of your monthly, quarterly, and yearly finances. Simply input your invoices and expenses, and the system will link them to the relevant pages. We also include tracking for categories, accounts, transfers, and subscriptions. Each team member has a dedicated dashboard to view their tasks, projects, upcoming meetings, documents, and resources. You can get this comprehensive system from the link in the description.